Exercise 5.4, question number 1. In triangle ABC, name all the interior and exterior angles of the triangle. So this is the triangle given ABC, and in this we are going to find out the interior and exterior angles here. Interior angles means the angles which are inside the triangle. So what is the interior angles means this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. These are the interior angles here, and the exterior angles which are outside the triangle. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So these are the interior and exterior angles. So now we will write so interior angles are BAC, angle BAC. Next angle B, ABC, ABC. And third one C angle BCA, BCA. Now coming to the exterior angles. Exterior angles. Now one BAX or BAY. First BAY. Second CBX. Next ACZ. So these are the interior angles and these are the exterior angles. Question number 2. For triangle ABC, find the measure of angle ACD. This angle we are going to measure. The given data is angle A is 66 and angle B is 45 degrees. So now we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So here angle A plus angle B is equal to the exterior angle. So now we know that ACD is the exterior angle, and angle A plus angle B. So ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So we are going to find out the exterior angle. So angle A is 66 and angle B is 45. So that equal to 111 degree. So the exterior angle is 111 degree here. Question number 3. Find the measure of angles X and Y. So this is X degree and Y degree we are going to measure here. So first we are going to see the Y degree. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That means angle CBD is equal to first BCA plus CAB. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So we are given the data CBD, which is 65 degrees, BCA, that is 30 degrees, and we are going to find out CAB, which is Y. So Y equal to 65 minus 30, that equal to 35 degrees here. Next we are going to find out the X. So X means here angle ABC and angle DBC are linear pair angles here. So that will be equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus angle CBD are linear pair angles that will be equal to 180 degrees. So ABC is X and CBD is 65 and here 180. So X is equal to 180 minus 65. So that will be equal to 115 degrees. So we got 115 degree. So here this can be also be find out. Already we have 30 and y we have found out 35. So the sum of angles is 180. So here angle A and angle C already we know. Now X we are going to find out the sum of angles here is 180. So angle A 35 we got, angle C data given 30 and X we are going to find out, that will be 180 here. Then X is equal to 180 minus 65, that will be equal to 115 degrees. So in this way also we can find out the X degree here, X angle here. Question number 4. In the following figures, find the values of X and Y. So here in this figure X and we are going to find out, and here X and Y we are going to find out here. In the first figure when you are going to say this angle is exterior angle and these two are interior angles. So we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That means this angle, exterior angle, is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, sum of opposite interior angles. So here 107 degree is equal to angle X plus here 57 degrees. Then X is equal to 107 minus 57. Then X is equal to 50 degrees here. Figure 2 when you are going to say, so this is the figure and here we are going to find out X degree and Y degree here. So this triangle you see ADC, already one angle is given, the other angle is given, and we are going to find out third angle. Here sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. So X here X plus 40 plus 107 is equal to 180. Then X equal to 180 minus 147. So X equal to here 33 degrees. Next we are going to find out Y here. So Y we know that this is linear pair angles. So linear pair angles the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So X Y plus 65 plus X is equal to 180 degrees here. So here X plus 65 plus Y equal to 180 degrees. So X already we know found out 33 plus 65 plus Y, that will be equal to 180. Then Y plus here 98 equal to 180. Then Y equal to 180 minus 98, then Y equal to 82 degrees here. So this is X 33 degrees and Y 82 degrees here. In the figure 1, X is 50 degrees. Question number 5. In the figure, angle BAD is equal to 3 times of angle DBA. Find CDB, DBC and ABC angles here. So first we know that ADB and BDC are linear pair angles, and the sum of these linear pair angles is equal to 180 degrees here. So first we are going to find out ADB, that means CDB, CDB. So CDB angle plus BDA that will be equal to 180 degrees. So CDB angle plus BDB 104, that equal to 180. So angle CDB equal to 180 minus 104, that will be equal to 76 degrees. Next they asked DBC. So already we know this angle is 76 degrees. Now the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Then this will we are going to find out. So angle second one DBC plus BDC plus DCB equal to 180. So angle DBC we are going to find out, plus here 76 and here this is 65, that equal to 180. So angle DBC equal to 180 minus 141, that will be equal to 39 degrees. Next we are going to find out ABC value. Now we are going to find out DBA we are going to find out. So this value we got that is 39 degrees. So next we are going to find out this value, this angle. After that we are going to sum this, then we will get angle ABC. So this how you are going to find out? The condition is given, angle BAD is equal to 3 times of DBA. So third one we are going to see angle BAD plus DBA plus ADB equal to 180 degrees. So the condition is given, let DBA is X, then BD will be, BAD will be 3 times, then ADB is given 104, that equal to 180 here. So here 4x plus 104 equal to 180. Then 4x equal to 180 minus 104. Then 4x equal to 76 and x equal to 76 by 4, that equal to 19 degrees. So x means what here? Angle DBA is 19 degrees. DBA means DBA. So this will be 19 degrees. Now finding angle ABC, so that will be equal to ABD plus DBC. So already we got DBC is 39 degrees and DBA is 19 degrees. So now ABD, which is 19 and this is 39, so that will be equal to 58 degrees. So angle CDB is 76 degrees, angle DBC is 39 degrees and angle ABC is 58 degrees here. Question number 6. Find the values of x and y in the following figures. So in the first figure, the angle is given here 70 degrees and x and y we are going to find out. So in the figure they are given, the sides are equal here. So we know equal sides, when sides are equal, then angles are equal. So when sides are equal, angles are equal. So here the sides are equal, then we are going to see x and y will be equal here. The sum of the angles we know is 180 degrees. So that means x plus y plus 70 degrees, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So x and y are equal, then we say 2x plus 70 equal to 180. Then 2x equal to 180 minus 70, so that will be 110 here. Then x equal to 55. So that means 110 by x will be 110 by 2, then 55 degrees. Then y is also 55 degrees. In figure 2 when you are going to see, this is y and this is x, and the given data is 50 degrees one side and these two sides are equal here. When two sides are equal, then we are going to say that y value and this angle is same here. That means y is equal to 50 degrees here. That means sides are equal, then angles also equal. So when you got here 50 degrees, so we know that exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite angles. That means x equal to 50 plus 50, so that will be 100 degrees here. Because exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles here. Next, third figure, y we are going to find out and here x we are going to find out. So here y is equal to 30 degrees because here vertically opposite angles are equal here. So y is equal to 30 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. So y we got 30 degrees and the sides are equal here. When the sides are equal, then this angle is also 30 degrees here. So this angle is also 30 degrees here. So one is 30, another is 30. We are going to find out x. The sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees. Then x plus 30 plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees here. Then x equal to 180 minus 60, that equal to 120 degrees. Next, fourth one, figure here y we are going to find out, here x we are going to find out, and here sides are equal here. When sides are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. So here, suppose this is z value. So z degree, suppose how you are going to find out? The angle z is plus 110 is equal to linear pair angles. Linear pair angles means 180 degrees. That means z plus 110 is equal to 180. Then z is equal to 180 minus 110, then z equal to 70 degrees. So when z is 70, this is also y is also 70 because equals angles. The sides are equal, the angles will be equal here. Then y is equal to 70 degrees. So this is 70, this is 70. Then x we are going to find out by sum of angles. The sum of angles is equal to, in a triangle, that is 180. Then x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z equal to 180. So x we are going to find out. So this is 70, this is 70, that equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 minus 140, then x equal to 40 degrees here. Next, fifth one, in this figure, fifth one, we are going to find out y value here and x value here. So y and the data given here 30 degrees, and this is a right angle triangle. That means this is 90 degrees. So now y and 30 are linear pair angles. That means y plus 30 equal to 180 degrees. So here y plus 30 degrees equal to 180 degrees because linear pair angles, then y is equal to 180 minus 30, then y is equal to 150 degrees. So one angle 150 degrees. So in this triangle, when you are going to say this is 30, this is 90, and x we are going to find out. The sum of angles is equal to 180. So 30 plus 90 plus x equal to 180. Then x equal to 180 minus 120, then x equal to 60 degrees here. Sixth figure, when you are going to say triangle is given, this is 80 degrees and the sides are equal here, x and y value you are going to find out. So this is 80 means this is also 80. Suppose it is z. So z is also 80 degrees because vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 80. So this is x and this is also x because the sides are equal, then angles are equal. So now 1 is 80 here. The sum of angles, when you are going to say x plus 80, that will be equal to 180. Then 2x equal to 180 minus 80. Then 2x equal to 100. Then x equal to 100 by 2, that equal to 50 degrees. So here the x value is 50 degrees. So 50 degrees and this y value both are linear pair angles, that will be equal to 180 degrees. So here 50 degrees plus y, that equal to 180 because of linear pair angles. Then y is equal to 180 minus 50, then it will be 130 degrees here. Question number 7. One of the exterior angles of the triangle is 125 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. So suppose this is a triangle. So one exterior angle is 125 degrees And the sum of the interior angles, so this is one and this is one interior angles, they are in the ratio 2:3 ratio. 2:3 ratio. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So this x plus y equal to 125 degrees. And this x and y are in the ratio 2:3 and the sum is 5 here. So to find out the angle, the ratios we are going to see, the sum we are going to divide. So x angle will be 2 by 5 into 125. So that will be here 25, which will be 50 degrees here. And y, that will be 3 by 5 into 125, 25 times, here 75 degrees. So x is 50 degrees, y is 75 degrees. Find the angles of the triangle. The other angle will be, you are going to find out, say it is z, the sum of angles is equal to 180 degrees we know. That means x plus y plus z equal to 180. So x we know 50, y we know 75 and z we are going to find out, that will be 180. So z equal to 180 minus 125, then z equal to 55 degrees. So one angle is 50 degrees, the other angle is 75 degrees, the third angle is 55 degrees here. Question number 8. The exterior angle PRS of triangle PQR is 105 degrees. If Q is 70 degrees, find angle P. Is PRS greater than angle P? So here suppose when you are going to see a triangle, so this is the triangle suppose. So this will be P, Q, R and the extension we are going to see S. The PRS angle is 105 degree and the data given here 70 degrees is the angle Q, and we are going to find out angle P here. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That means angle PRS is equal to QPR plus angle PQR here. So PRS we know that is 105 and QPR we are going to find out, and PQR is given, that is 70 degrees. Then QPR equal to 105 minus 70, so that will be 35 degrees here. Next they asked, is PRS greater than angle P? PRS how much? 105 degree, and angle P how much? 35 degrees. So PRS is greater than angle P. That means the answer is S. Question number 9. If an exterior angle of a triangle is 130 degrees, one of the interior opposite angle is 60 degrees, find the other interior opposite angle. So here triangle is given here. So one interior angle is the exterior angle is 130 degrees. The interior opposite angle one is 60 degrees. Then we are going to find out the second one. Let it be x here. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That means 130 degree is equal to x plus 60 degrees here. Then x is equal to 130 minus 60. then x equal to here 70 degrees here. So this angle is 70 degrees. So if you are means we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles here. So the answer is 70 degrees here. Question number 10. One of the exterior angle of a triangle is 105 degrees and the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5. Find the angles of the triangle. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior angles. So let the interior angles are x and y. X and y. So x and y, x plus y is equal to 105 degrees here. And the interior opposite angles are in the ratio 2:5 here. The sum will be 7 here. So now we are going to find out x degree, that will be 2 parts by total part into 105 degree. So here 15 times, that will be 15 into 2, 30 degrees. Then y we are going to see 5 parts, total parts are 7, 105. So here 15, then we say it is 75 degrees, this is 30 degrees. Next they ask to find the angles of the triangle. So we know that triangle, the sum of the angles are 180. X is 30, y is 75. We are going to find out the other angle. So let it be z, then x plus y plus z, that will be equal to 180 here. So x is 30, the other angle is 75, z and 180. So z is equal to 180 minus 105. So z is equal to 75 degrees. So one angle is 30, other is 75, the third one is also 75 here. Question number 11. In the figure, find the values of x and y. So this is the figure given here. So first we are going to find out the x and y here. So before that we are going to see this value. We are going to find out, say it is z here. The sum of angles we are going to see, it is 180 degree. Suppose it is z here. So z plus 50 plus 30. So that will be equal to 180 degrees. The sum of angles are 180 degrees. Then z equal to 180 minus 80. Then z equal to 100 degrees here. So this will be 100 degrees. Then we know that this z value and y angle are linear pair angles. The sum will be equal to 180 degrees. So z plus y equal to 180 degrees because linear pair angles. So z we know 100, y we are going to find out, and this is 180. Then y is equal to 180 minus 100, that will be 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees. And another is 55 degrees. Now x value you are going to find out. So this is the exterior angle. So we know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That means y value plus this 55. So y value we know, that is 80. Then x is equal to y plus 55. So y we know, which is 80, and this is 55. Then x equal to 135 degrees.